Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. This printer is HP Deskjet 2710. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask 3-in-1 in the sense you can copy, scan and print from this printer. This printer is using ink 305. I'm going to show you how to change or replace the ink. But before we do that, I want to show you switch this printer on and off from here. This is LCD screen. You see the light here that is showing. It means that the ink is running low. And this is cancel button. This is resume. This is Wi-Fi button. This is information button. This is for you to copy color, and this is for you to copy black. Now what we want to do is to show you how to change the ink. To change the ink, you need to open up this cover, okay, and open up this section. Once you open it up, then you wait for the ink holder to come, okay, and the ink holder is now positioned itself where it's supposed to be. So what you need to do, you need to push this down, push down, and remove each one. This printer, like I said, is using 305, and color goes to the left and black goes to the right. So I ordered the ink from amazon.co.uk. So what we want to do is to replace this. Here we go. 3 colors, 2 pack, black and 3 colors. Okay, so this is the black color. Just need to pull off this off, then you go in to the black to the right, push it upwards, do the same thing to the colored. Pull off, then go in, push it up, then close it. So I give the printer time, and if you look now, you can see the light that was showing here is no longer, and if you see the ink gauge is full up. So this is how to replace the ink. And if you want to remove it as well, open the ink holder, come and position itself. Here we go. Push down, and remove it. Okay, so this is how to change and replace the ink. Thank you very much.